Welcome, in front of me I have BLACKVIEW A80 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to add and remove the Google account on this device. First, we need to open the settings. To do it, swipe left on the screen and tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll down, select the accounts. Here tap on add account and then select Google. Now we need to log in into a Google account, so let's tap right here, enter the account name, and tap next. Now we need to enter the password, so give me a few seconds. And after you enter the password, tap on next to continue. Here tap on I agree. Then tap on more and tap on accept to continue. And as you can see, the account was added. To remove the account, you need to tap on it right here in the accounts menu. Tap on remove account. Then confirm by tapping on remove account again. And as you can see, the account was removed. And that's how you add and remove the Google account on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.